If you're trying to add music to your Telegram profile but can't find the option or don't know how it works, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to add music to your Telegram profile easily. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, open any chat or contact. It can even be your own saved messages. Tap the clip attachment icon at the bottom of the screen. Select File, then tap Select from Files. Now, find the audio file you want to add to your profile and tap Open to send it. Wait until the file uploads completely. After the audio file is sent, play the music. Tap on the audio title at the top, then select Add to Profile. Tap View to confirm, and that's it. You've successfully added music to your Telegram profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and follow for more quick Telegram tips and tutorials.